Hello and welcome to a new episode of Boss Lady Brews, curated by Evolve, an ever growing community of women entrepreneurs in Ahmedabad and Rajkot. I'm your host, Jayashree Parekh, and today let us dive deep into the art of goal based social media marketing. I am really thrilled to be joined by a truly an expert of having more than 10 years experience in this field of social media marketing. Let me introduce Ms. Aparna Shastri. Welcome Aparna to our Boss Lady Brews at Evolve. How are you doing today?
First of all, thank you, Jeshiji, for having
Welcome.
me here today, and I'm doing great.
It's really nice to have you here because I'm sure our viewers really going to have a lot of insight from the field what you're doing. Aparna, first tell me about yourself, a bit about your family and your growing up years. Just something about yourself.
Right. So, I'm a passionate digital marketer. Apart from that, I love to be with family. I feel more enthusiastic about traveling, reading books, and a lot more extra activities. I have two little kids, baby girls. One
Okay.
is like 6, and other is 2.5 year old. And if I talk about my expertise and experience, I've served to many brands like Luminous Technologies, Johnson Tiles, into the field of branding and digital marketing.
That's really nice to hear that you have two small daughters. I'm sure this journey has been a little bit of struggle, little bit of passion. What do you say? How is your family support, in for helping you to reach till here? How is your family, husband supported you in all these ways?
So I feel that everybody has their own work access and life access, right?
Right.
So we have a family of five, and all of these, even the little one knows that what she has to do in the morning and how the chorus goes.
Right.
So we are very streamlined, and that's how we keep up with everything in a proper streamlined way.
Oh, that's really wonderful, when kids are growing up and they know their parents are working. I'm sure they automatically get that feel, they have to be responsible in their own way. So this is really beautiful when you're saying your kids can manage their things on their own when you're away at work. Is that right?
Yeah, they have their own day schedules. Accordingly, they manage.
Tell me one thing, Aparna, how your clients would actually generate sales or increase their business if they have to collaborate with you for your social media services.
So, first of all, I think that those who are clients or would be, I feel that I'm their part only. Like, I'm one of the partner to their business so that I can curate and get ideas in their real time problems and what they're facing at present and how we can solve it together. Digital marketing is a power tool in which we can have advantage of planning, prioritizing the sales and branding approach in different ways. Like one of the client could have different needs. It could be sales, it could be their brand awareness, or it could be a hybrid mix of
Right.
multiple things. So we curate it accordingly as per their needs, and they can ultimately, the goal is to drive revenue in certain numbers. So we help them in that practically.
So, can you tell me how soon would they see the results? Like, social media marketing is not a one day job for sure. Like, it has a series of things that go through and you do the brand visibility, and there's a point of time when you actually start getting, revenues and you start getting visibility. So can you just, give an average span of time that is required to quietly do the work and then see the result?
I totally agree to you and your fundamentals, but practically saying that even one individual can see their results within the week as well. See, if the brainstorming, ideation, and strategies are at right place from the very beginning, you can see the results in terms of new growth, engagement, followers, and be it revenue or a sales-driven post.
Right.
So everything is possible if it's done right and mindfully.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now how would you help your B2 business clients who are actually struggling, through all these processes and to get them qualified leads to your social media marketing schemes? How do you help them?
So I think the bitter truth is B2B businesses are still not leveling up with their digital media game, and they have not realized till time that what advantages they can take from digital media and multiple social media handles. For example, a manufacturing person sitting in India can outreach multiple people who can be the right vendors, or good point of sales can happen through LinkedIn sales profile or optimized profile. So they need to realize the power of building stronger connection through digital media, which can really help them grow and level up their business entirely.
Right, right. So, is it right to say that when we are marketing or doing some branding for a company, so Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all of them together can show results? Or is it just one thing पे concentrate करोगे और काम हो जाएगा आपका? Is it that, or you need to, cumulatively, hold all the things important and then work on them साथ में so that you can see good results? Is that?
See, factually saying that few things work for certain clients and few things works for other. Okay, but if you talk about giant brands, they are omnipresent on the multiple channels, on the multiple social media handles. But if you talk about particular people doing just Instagram sales or YouTube revenue is continuous to them, then those particular platforms are good or better for them. So ideation and strategy is really important, and judging that if you have a good execution team who can manage all the sources, all the omnipresent channels of social media handle, then that is better for you. Otherwise, if you can just handle few handles of social media with a small team with a certain number of goal or achievement, then particular handles are much better for you.
Okay. So, when a brand is struggling to convert their so-called audiences into clients, so how difficult that process is? Because you may get views and you may get likes, but actually converting them into sales, I think that is the biggest struggle for any business. Right. So how you think that any social media marketing company would help them to do this, to get actual sales, convert all the views and all the people just clicking into actual sales?
Right. So everybody does lead generation,
Right.
but the motive of lead generation is ultimately having a quality lead, then making it into the pipeline.
Right.
Or we say it simplified words, funnel creation. So if I compare Meta ads and Google ads, then you see that Google ads are very costly, 3x, 4x, and Meta is really cheap. But the thing is that you must notice that in 5 to 7 minutes, you see multiple ads similar to your industry. For example, if you're a real estate builder and you are showing one ad to particular audience, then Meta will automatically track you to showcase similar kind of ads, so you can have a complete array of different type of proposals pending with you. Then you would not be able to decide that which one you need to go or buy for.
Right.
So you need to be very strengthy in terms of execution process, and you must have a robust sales team, so that they can be backed up by actual sales, and you can nurture the lead in a proper way. So that is really important nowadays, that how you handle any inquiry,
Right.
it can make a sales or break a sale.
Right.
Yeah.
So how difficult is it कि एक आपका viewer या whoever is seeing your brand, client तो बन गया एक बार, but to make that client repeat sales, is it very difficult, or it is a bit easy because of the social media branding that we are doing all the time?
If you plan that your brand awareness is maintained throughout since its inception, it's very easy to retain your clients if you are serving it the right way and you are prompt in approaching them in terms of showing your brand visibility. There are many cases when you don't see that your client is your older or previous clients are not available with you. Reason behind this, you don't showcase your brand in a proper prompt manner on a regular interval. So replying them instantly and being present in market all the time is really a necessity to older clients as well.
Okay. So this is to our viewers that marketing is not a one day job. It is a constant process. I think even the big companies like, Reliance and Birla and whoever, they are also constantly marketing. They have, I think since decades and decades they are there in the market, in the industry. Still they have the need to, get their brand visibility every time. So I guess marketing is a very like consistently done thing, right? It's not a one day job. कि एक दिन किया, visibility मिल गई and that's it. I think it is a repetitive process and it has to be done like every day, right?
Yeah, of course, it's persistent, demanding, and it needs innovation all the time.
Right.
So that you can have a bridge to your audience, and you can always utilize such strategies and advantage tools in your favor.
Right. No wonder every day when we open our Instagram, we are like seeing different ways of marketing, like, static post and carousels and videos and all X number of things. And I think that keeps the momentum of just seeing new posts and getting attracted and clicking the like button on that. So I guess this is an everyday affair that you need to get new things in the, market every day. That's so true. So, Aparna, tell me, what is your primary goal when you are actually launching a new product or a new business regarding creating their brand awareness? So, what goals would you, checklist ke, okay, ye done hai, so then launching and the brand awareness is going to be like really successful?
So, 3 pillars of any brand identity could be concept, content, and creativeness. So, first of all, we need to think about the character of any brand or company, how it will look, how it will behave basically, and how it will talk in terms, how it will communicate to the audience, and what are the plus and minuses the brand is having, what you want to portray, and what could be your first footstep to any viewer. As we say that first impression is last impression, so any brand who is portraying something want to convey certain way. For example, any Ayurveda brand who just want to approach in natural way but a modern approach.
Right.
So we need to understand the mix, what the founder or the brand want to convey to audience in a general manner. So that's how we structure and strategize things in their favor.
Aparna, can you guide to our viewers? Because some of the viewers feel that, their social media is very scattered and they're not getting some clear objective. They may be spending thousands and thousands, but they feel their social media is scattered and aimless. How would you guide them?
ओके सो बेसिकली आई फील कि सोशल मीडिया शुरू करने का एक एजेंडा होना चाहिए. जैसे कि आप 1 साल के बाद या 6 महीने के बाद एक्स नंबर या एक्स फॉलोअर टैंजिबल गोल्स होने चाहिए जिसके ऊपर आपकी टीम काम करेगी. ऑल्सो आपका माइंडसेट और आपकी एजेंसी या टीम का माइंडसेट सेम लेवल पे होना चाहिए. सोशल मीडिया आज ये हो रहा है तो पोस्ट कर देते हैं, कल कुछ और हो रहा है तो पोस्ट कर देते हैं, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी अ 1 ईयर प्लानर जहाँ पे आपका मोटिव क्या था. आपके पास कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कंटेंट होने चाहिए जिसमें एजुकेशन कंटेंट होगा, सेल्स ड्राइवन कंटेंट होगा, जिसमें कोई पर्टिकुलर बात हो रही है. और इसके अलावा आपका थर्ड फैक्टर है मोमेंट मार्केटिंग के कल जीएसटी लॉन्च हुआ है तो आज आप कुछ पोस्ट करना चाहते हो. इट शुड बी अ हाइब्रिड मिक्स जिससे आपको मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट मिले और आपकी सेल्स या तो ब्रांडिंग में बढ़ोतरी होनी चाहिए. इसी तरीके से अगर आप काम करोगे तभी आपको 1 साल के बाद सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा कि सोशल मीडिया कंटिन्यू करना है या नहीं. सो यू शुड बी वेरी स्ट्रांग हेडेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर ओन मार्केटिंग एंड ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी.
Right. Aparna, tell me, what advice would you give to our viewers who really lack the strategy as their ROI on sales and data driven approach is not giving them optimal results?
As a business entrepreneur, we basically think about ROI,
Right.
right? But we don't think about strategy. Okay.
Very true.
So it's always a black spot or a lag point for each one of us, I guess. So strategies are very important. जब आप सोचते हो कि आपको ये क्यों करना चाहिए,
Right.
और उसको किस तरीके से करना है, या फिर कहाँ पे स्ट्रगल आ रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर होटल इंडस्ट्री यू आर नॉट गेटिंग बुकिंग्स, तो व्हाट इज द सेट ऑफ फैक्टर्स दैट यू आर फेसिंग सच सिचुएशन.
Right.
उसका कोई तो रीज़न होगा, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट द ओनली वन जिसके पास बुकिंग नहीं आ रही है या आ रही है. सो वी नीड टू थिंक रूट कॉज, और उसके बाद हमें स्ट्रैटेजाइज करना चाहिए, तब डेफिनेटली आपका ROI आएगा. सो अगर आपको एक और दूसरा कि कंसिस्टेंसी, कि अगर आपका 1 महीने में नहीं हुआ, छोड़ दिया. आपको एक स्ट्रिंजेंट माइंड रखना पड़ेगा दैट यू हैव टू ड्राइव सर्टेन नंबर्स, यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग हेडेड. आपकी टीम भी उसी हिसाब से काम करनी चाहिए आपके साथ.
Right, right. So in short, we cannot lose hope. थोड़ा करके छोड़ देते. I guess that is the real black dot over there.
Yes.
Because I think many people get disheartened and demotivated. अरे यार इतना किया, इतना पैसा डाला, फिर भी result नहीं आ रहा है. So I think that is one thing that what you are saying is consistency is important.
Yes.
Maybe 1-2 months में result नहीं आएगा, but eventually when you get into the role, I think results तो तभी आएंगे. So
Agreed.
yes, consistency is the key word over here in marketing.
Yes.
Right.
I've seen a situation wherein एक रियल एस्टेट क्लाइंट ने 2 मंथ्स तक सोशल मीडिया किया, प्रॉपर कंसिस्टेंसी से उसने किया, और सारी फ्रीडम थी. तो वी हैव अचीव सर्टेन माइलस्टोन्स इन वेरी अर्ली स्टेज विद इन द स्पैन ऑफ 40-50 days.
Right.
ही वॉज क्वाइट हैप्पी. बट 2 महीने के बाद जब उसने बोला कि 2 महीने में X नंबर ऑफ अमाउंट खर्च हुआ है और इसके सामने मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला है, तो लेट्स ड्रॉप द आइडिया. उसके 6 महीने के बाद किसने सेम रील देखा और दे अप्रोच्ड अस कि हमने आपको ऑनलाइन देखा था.
Right.
सो ही रियलाइज्ड कि 6 मंथ के बाद किसी ने देखा एंड स्टार्टेड रोलिंग द वीडियो.
Right, right.
तो ही सेड कि हमें रिवैम्प करना है, लेट्स मीट एंड स्टार्ट दिस अगेन.
Right.
सो वी नीड टू रियलाइज कि वो आपके व्यूअर्स या पर्टिकुलर ऑडियंस के समूह तक पहुंचने में एक सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ टाइम लगता है अगर आप ऑर्गेनिक ग्रो कर रहे हो. तो अगर आप वन टाइम बूस्ट या पर्टिकुलर एडवांटेज टूल्स यूज कर रहे हो, तो वो उस लेवल तक जल्दी पहुंच सकता है.
Okay, but how frustrating or how bad is a situation when people spend a lot on trying to create a brand awareness और फिर भी उनको उनका desired result नहीं मिलता है. So किस हद तक frustration हो सकता है? Like what would people do? जैसे 2-3 महीने से consistently they are trying to create awareness about their brand, पर as अभी आपने बताया कि बहुत लोग होते हैं जो 2-3 महीना ट्राई करते हैं without any result, तो शट डाउन कर देते हैं. सो आई एम श्योर दैट इज़ अ वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग प्रोसेस. बट इसका इलाज क्या है?
इसका पहला सिंपल इलाज ये है कि आपको और सामने वाली टीम को एटलीस्ट 1 साल के लिए एक श्योरिटी रखनी चाहिए जिसमें नंबर ऑफ माइलस्टोन्स होने चाहिए.
ओके.
जब माइलस्टोन्स होंगे तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा कि आपकी टीम सही काम कर रही है. यानी कि अगर मैंने 1 महीने का माइलस्टोन दिया है कि आपके ऑर्गेनिक फॉलोअर्स 2000 होने चाहिए, मैंने वो टच किया है, तो आप श्योर होगे कि आपकी टीम भी सही काम कर रही है, आपके पास ब्रांड अवेयरनेस आ रही है, बढ़ रही है आपकी ब्रांड की विजिबिलिटी. सो आप सही डायरेक्शन में काम कर रहे हो. अब 1 साल के बाद अब अगर आपने ROI 2x या 3x रखा है या 4x रखा है, आपके मार्केटिंग बजट का नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स रखा है, तो वो रिजल्ट आपको शॉर्ट मिलेगा क्योंकि आपके प्राइमरी माइलस्टोन्स अचीव होते हुए दिख रहे हैं.
There are some companies who actually believe in creating long-lasting relations, whereas there are some who only focus on sales. What is the right attitude to actually build a community who would, have a very nice, good relationship with you and then convert them into your clients or, pitch directly for the sales? So what would be a better option?
Okay. So इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो आपके क्वेश्चन में ही छुपा हुआ है.
Okay.
हाँ, जैसे कि एक पर्सन आपके पास आया एंड ही इज अ सेल्स पर्सन, तो यू माइट नॉट बी दैट मच
Okay.
enthusiastic to meet him that आपको पता है कि वो बंदा सेल करने आया है,
Right,
and
right.
you might be in need as well, but you will not entertain
Right.
that person to the desired
Right.
लेवल. ओके, बट अगर आपको पता है कि ये बंदा आपसे मिलने आया है, ही इज अ लॉयल पर्सन, और आपसे 3-4 बार मिलता है फॉर सम रीजन, फॉर सम वर्क, तो आप उसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देंगे. और अगर आपको वो 5-6 बार मिलने के बाद बोलेगा कि चलो ये कोलैबोरेशन करते हैं, चलो ये बिजनेस करते हैं, तो आपकी अप्रोच अलग होगी उसके साथ. तो सेम ब्रांड के साथ होता है. अगर आप पहले एक कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करते हो, आपको पता है कि ये लोग आप में इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहे हैं, आप उनसे कुछ बातें करोगे, उनको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दोगे, उसके बाद आप बोलोगे कि ये हमारा ऑफर है, इफ यू वुड लाइक टू ऐड तो आप प्लीज ले सकते हो.
Right.
तो वो इम्पैक्ट अलग होगा और डायरेक्ट सेल्स करने का इम्पैक्ट अलग होगा. बोथ विल वर्क. सेल्स पर्सन के केस में आप 10 घर पे जाओगे और एक डील क्लोज होगी.
Right.
कम्युनिटी बिल्डअप में आपका रेशियो, टर्न अराउंड टाइम ज़्यादा जल्दी इफेक्टिव तरीके से आपको
Right.
मिलेगा सेल्स का रिजल्ट.
Okay, so I guess, in short, organically, if we try to build relations, that will be a better option than directly pitching into sales.
That is the right
Yes,
approach.
that is the right approach. Yes. You know, we see a lot of different types of followers. Some followers are very active. They are very enthusiastic about everything, you know, clicking likes and sharing and all. But there are followers who are very passive. मतलब देखेंगे फिर, but there is no reaction from them. So how can we convert those passive followers into actively following any brand, or you know, going ahead with interacting with the brand? How can you do that?
ओके, सो येस, देर आर नंबर ऑफ फॉलोअर्स और उनकी बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं.
हाँ.
सो अगर आपका बिजनेस सीजनल है, देर इज़ अ केस स्टडी वेर इन सीजनल बिजनेस एज इन ट्रैवल का बिजनेस है, तो आपके पास इम्पल्सिव फॉलोअर्स ज़्यादा होंगे. यानी कि आज
Right,
उन्होंने
right.
देखा, उन्होंने पसंद किया, अब वो एक्टिव नहीं रहेंगे.
Right.
राइट. अब अगले सीजन में आप कोई और ट्रैवल रील पोस्ट कर रहे हो और आपका समर सीजन आ रहा है, तो वो फॉलोअर शायद जागेगा, या तो कहीं और रील देख रहा होगा. राइट. कुछ ऐसे फॉलोअर्स होते हैं जो जिनकी रिलेटेड फील्ड होती है और वो एजुकेशन पाना चाहते हैं आपके किसी पर्टिकुलर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल से, तो वो रेगुलर एक्टिव होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजर है जो टीच भी करता है, तो उसके जो फॉलोअर्स हैं, हो सकता है कि वो इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं थ्रू आउट और वो रेगुलर हैं, वो लाइव सीरीज देख रहे हैं, तो वो हमेशा प्रॉम्प्ट रहेंगे कि नया क्या आ रहा है, कब कैसे हो रहा है. सो हमेशा ऐसी फॉलोअर फैन बेस क्रिएट करनी चाहिए जो आपके लिए रिलेटेड हो. प्लस आप ऐसा अगर कंटेंट डालेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वही ऑडियंस अट्रैक्ट होगी जो रेगुलर है, एक्टिव है. बट ऑफ कोर्स आप कभी 100% एक्टिव फॉलोअर्स नहीं ले सकते. एंगेजमेंट रेट बहुत अच्छी सिचुएशन में भी 1.5 से 2% होता है. राइट. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्ट कि दुनिया अलग अलग तरीके के लोगों से भरी है और आप डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते हो कि मुझे ये पर्टिकुलर चाहिए. बट येस, आप एक गोल ले सकते हो जहां आप सही तरीके से अगर काम करोगे तो सही एक्टिव फॉलोअर्स आपको ज़्यादा मिलेंगे.
Okay, so this is again to our viewers, don't get disheartened. Followers बहुत तरह के होते हैं, but I think consistently, if you are, you know, managing your social media marketing team, I guess वो followers भी active हो सकते हैं.
Yeah, of course. The more you are active, they will be active, basically. और ऐसा तो बहुत रेयर केस है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव और आपके फॉलोअर कोई प्रॉम्प्ट मतलब कर ही नहीं रहे, तो फिर आप कंटेंट बना किसके ले रहे हो टेक्निकली. देन समथिंग इज रॉन्ग. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट टू एंड फ्रो होता है. जब फोर्स आता है तो उसका रिपेलेंट फोर्स भी आपको मिलता है. सो सेम केस.
So I think storytelling or being interactive or even asking questions, I think that works, no? I think somewhere psychologically there's a push in the follower to answer something or talk about something. You know, I have seen a lot of people asking questions in their brand awareness, you know, okay, you like this color or that color. So psychologically the followers answer, you know, okay, I like this color. So maybe that gets into the mode of interacting, you know, with, so I guess storytelling and asking questions and all these things, I'm sure it helps to make the followers a bit more active. Right.
I totally agree to your fact, but everything in proportion is always good.
Right.
For example, few influencers put their questions daily basis in the morning that
Right,
choose
okay.
A or B.
Yes.
Then people are aware that kal bhi to aane wala hai na.
Okay,
You
okay.
lose the charm of question.
Okay.
So there has to be a certain balance wherein you
Right.
have set of questions, education, a reel behind the scene,
Right.
a knowledge, something which is a fulfilling bundle to the audience or viewer, क्योंकि वो अपनी
Right.
लाइफ के एटलीस्ट आधा घंटा तो आपको दे ही रहा है,
Right,
so
right, of
it
course.
must make some sense कि वो क्या सीख रहा है या एटलीस्ट एंटरटेन हो रहा है, whichever way
Right. So, as we always say, overdose of everything
is not good.
is not
Yeah,
good. So, dire, consistently, at regular intervals, I think that is the key word for going ahead with your brand marketing.
yes, I feel I can have a tip to the audience.
Sure, you can please go ahead and tell our viewers.
Yes. Yeah. So tip is that you always need to have a buzzword जो trend हो रहा है उसको लेकर आप एक क्वेश्चन बनाइए जिसमें 2-3 ऑप्शन रख सकते हैं. ऑडियंस के लिए क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल और बहुत हार्ड दोनों नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी मॉडरेट एंड रिलेटेबल टू द सिचुएशन और ट्रेंड्स so that they can easily interact or it is a fun moment.
Wow. So, again, to our viewers, I'm sure this is going to be really insightful. And जो हमारे बीच बातें हुई है, I'm sure our viewers are going to gain a lot of knowledge and how you should do marketing and what are the goals and everything, the objective of marketing. And yes, our viewers can definitely get in touch with you. And I'm so glad that we had this meet today, and even I got to know so much about social media marketing. So this was really nice, Aparna. And I just want to ask you one thing. You have been at Evolve since how long?
This is my first year. It's a debut year.
Okay, that's wonderful. So I'm sure you must be loving, working and with your fellow members. And how would you say, how is your growth process at Evolve, and how have you evolved at Evolve?
That's a wonderful question, I believe. And yes, I can relate to the time when I joined. I came as a visitor basically, and then I opted for being a member to Evolve. I feel that I'm surrounded by lovely, enthusiastic, and passionate ladies. When people say that you cannot do this, you cannot do that, and it's a ice-breaking moment when
Right.
women's come together and they thrive to do such level of business, such transactions, and a fascinating environment it creates as well.
That's so nice to hear, and thank you so much, Aparna, for your knowledge sharing with our viewers. And I'm sure viewers are really going to feel very happy knowing about so much about your field, that is the social media marketing and branding. And thank you for joining us, Aparna. It was really wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, viewers, and to know more, you can connect to
Yes.
us. Yeah.
Okay, Aparna, to make it little quick and snappy, a few rapid fire questions for you. Name the social media handle with maximum followers.
Facebook, 3 billion, I guess.
Oh wow,
And-
is it really?
Yeah, daily active followers.
And most used hashtag today.
Hashtag new GST reforms and Instagood.
Insta good, what's that? See,
Just a trending
it's-
hashtag.
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Easiest social media handle for sales.
What's a
Actual
business?
sales.
What's a business? No doubt.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Stories or posts?
Post for long-term reach and stories for a quickie, snappy content.
All right. And last but not the least, Aparna, what is your take on someone who wants to do business like yours?
Call me. Very easy.
Oh wow, that was nice. That was quick and snappy. Okay, I think this is the end of our podcast, and I would thank our viewers for being with us and joining us for this wonderful session today with Aparna Shastri. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. This is Aparna Shastri from Social Media Experts, and our tagline is Apni Pehchan Banao. So be in touch. You can follow us on Instagram. That's Social Media Experts, experts with Z at last. Thank you so much.